Hi there, it's Hannah from Tourism Tribe, and I'm here with Jill. This is Jill, and we are talking today about tip number 9 of our disaster recovery marketing series. And today's focus is how to utilize email to connect with your past guests and your industry network. So during the period following a natural disaster, it's important to build the confidence that your target market has in your business. And the most valuable asset that you have right now is your existing customer email list. It's important that you are using all the channels that your customers and other important contacts utilize to keep them informed of your recovery and entice them back to your region and to your business. And this, of course, includes the good old-fashioned email. So email marketing can be incredibly effective, and what effective email marketing looks like is when your recipients are opening your emails, reading them, and taking the actions that you had set out for them to take. So if you're ticking all 3 of these boxes, then you're doing a great job. In an ideal world, your email database would be segmented, your messages would be personalized for each recipient, and you would be utilizing automation and integration techniques as well. We do understand that most businesses don't have these best practices in place just yet, but this shouldn't stop you making use of email in your disaster recovery marketing. So even if you don't have a tidy aggregated database or CRM software, you should include email marketing in amongst your recovery marketing arsenal. So for those operators who don't use any CRM tools and who have never used an email list before, the most simple solution would be to gather the emails of all of your past customers from the last 2 to 3 years and to pop them in a spreadsheet with their names and their email addresses. Obviously, the more personalized information you can track and record, the better, such as when they stayed, who they stayed with, if it was a family or a couple, where they were from, their age group, etc. Even if you don't have the capacity to segment your list right now for this campaign, it's a great idea to keep track of this information so that you can target certain groups further down the track. So we want you to reach out to this group because you already have an established relationship with them. They have stayed with you, used your service, or bought your products, and they hopefully have enjoyed their interaction with you so far. It's very likely that they are aware of your situation, or if not aware of your exact situation, they're at least aware that your area may have been affected by bushfires, and so they're likely curious about what your current status is right now. So the interaction that your business, that interaction with your business, that memory that they have of you, that gives them a tiny sense of ownership and responsibility for your region. If you think about the places that you yourself regularly holiday or have visited before, I'm sure that you would feel a certain affection and affinity for that place, and that's why we want to reach out to this group specifically, because they have that for you. So for those operators who are temporarily closed while they are recovering, your email should be focusing on keeping your relationship going with these customers. So provide your past guests with an account of your experience and advise them that when you reopen, you hope that they will visit you again. Also let them know that when you do reopen, you will be in touch with them to let them know and to invite them back. For operators who are open for business at the moment, your email message will be kind of similar. You want to provide a similar account of your experience as well, but your focus is on letting them know that you're open, you're ready to welcome them, and you would love for them to come back, and that they would be really helping you out if they did. You might also like to extend them a special offer, so let them know that as they are previous customers of yours, you would like to offer them a special 20-25% discount or whatever special offer works for you. And in both scenarios, you're really leaning on that memory and trying to jog that memory that these guests have of their experience, which ties them to your business. So you do need to get into sales mode here and think about what you want the person receiving the email to feel and what you want them to do. So give them a call to action that they can engage with at the end of your email. If you can, we strongly suggest looking at an email platform such as MailChimp. MailChimp, for example, makes it really easy for you to personalize emails, so addressing them individually, and customize email campaigns in a way that's really visually engaging. It's fairly simple to use and it looks very professional. You can add videos and images and all of that pretty easily. Eventually you might wish to go one step further and use a more complex and adaptable solution that gives you extra functionality, such as email automation. But that's about it, so get on it as soon as you can, get mobilised, start communicating via email because not everyone is going to see your social media posts. I hope this has been helpful for you. Get writing, get emailing, and we will see you on Monday for another tip. Have a great weekend. Bye.